In this video, we are going to see how we can track and transfer and copy all of your information on Facebook. So let's say that you want to track your activity and also you want to save it somewhere. Here's how you can do it. So what you can do is just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings and privacy and click on settings. And we want to click on the see more in account center. Here's the option. And we click on your permissions and informations. Click on export your information. You can click on create and export to device or export to external service. We want to export to device, and you can customize till what date range you want the information in what format, and you want to customize the information. You want to exclude or include something. You can easily do it here. You can choose that. You can remove any specific information, and you can set the media quality as well. And click on start export, and it will ask you for the confirmation of your password, and then it will download the information for you in the HTML format. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.